Hey, I'm Nathan. I'm a Principal Data Analyst in the Trust and Safety organization at Google. At Google, I'm a member of an organization called VetNet, which is an employee resource group for veterans and Googlers who want to support veterans. And one of my favorite ways that we give back every year is through an annual resume review workshop. In the resume workshop, either virtually or in person, we have veterans or veteran spouses come into the office, or we meet via video chat, and we go through the resume and really focus on impactful things they've done and how to make their accomplishments jump off the page and show really how awesome they are. Veterans in particular can have some unique challenges when it comes to translating their military experience to a really effective civilian resume. The first is removing military-specific jargon. The second is being willing to claim correct credit for the accomplishments that you did, because a lot of times veterans are going to always say that it was completely the team that did it. And then third is coming up with really good measurement of the impact of the activities that they did that they're showcasing in the resume. Just as service members have to communicate really clearly, work well as a team, and really exercise really good attention to detail, that's also the case when you're working as a data analyst. You can't know everything, so it's important to be able to work with cross-functional stakeholders in a very collaborative setting. And the best analysis in the world is worthless if you can't clearly communicate the recommendations and influence the stakeholders to adopt those. And of course, if you overlook some important details, that could also derail your analysis and your credibility in the eyes of those stakeholders. Attention to detail is critical. It's important to get some training. Of course, the data analyst certificate is a great set of training, but also just other courses, either on tools that seem interesting to you. It's important to think about what sorts of problems you find the most interesting, and then find data for those problems and do some analysis on your own. And that's a really high impact way of being able to get some great experience on your own that you can then talk about during interviews and even informal chats with people in your network. Why veterans should consider a career in data analysis is that they already have a strong foundation of being able to be really persistent while also remaining really humble. And that's super important as a data analyst, because if your ego is out of control, you're going to have big blind spots that lead you to make mistakes in your analysis. One of the best pieces of advice that I still think of to this day is that it's better to get speeding tickets than parking tickets. So what this especially means as a data analyst is sometimes you have to jump into situations that you're not totally comfortable, and you need to learn your way out of it and collaborate your way out of it.
Congratulations on finishing this video from the Google Data Analytics Certificate. Access the full experience, including job search help, and start to earn the official certificate by clicking the icon or the link in the description. Watch the next video in the course by clicking here, and subscribe to our channel for more from upcoming Google Career certificates.